Our section was on the section right there. Let's go. Mama yard, you know, we spent many nights right here. These stuff. Nigga was selling crack. Out here young, I probably was about 14. I was probably younger than that, probably about 13. But this shit was already on before. This shit right here, that shit always been like, this shit right here used to be painted. Here was all over what this shit is. Chill right here. Walk to that store. By Florida's, that shit used to be stop and go though. It was Valero. We used to drink Florida's over there. Or buy Florida's. That's like, you know, before niggas start fucking with their drink. Like tough. Bam, but shit. We used to post up right here many nights, you know, bleeding. Bitch, I'm too young. I'm hoping the laws don't stop when they pass us, cause I'm going for a curfew violation. Cause I ain't old enough to be outside past 12, cuz real shit. These niggas ain't real. I'm talking about, you know what I'm saying? Me and Boss supposed to on that 200 pound month trying to keep our pockets paid. This was our dope corner right here. You know what I'm saying? Like, say Hondas, all that bullshit. We used to